Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Pandas playlist. So this is basically our last tutorial video on Pandas. So I'm thinking of making assignments and practice problems. So let's see how it goes on. So till today we'll discuss about join and merge operations in Pandas. So to explain, I have two data frame. I've created two data frame basically from dictionaries. You'll be able to find that there are three columns basically: key A, B for my first data frame A, and key C and D for my second data frame, that is my B. So if I execute this, okay, let me just import my pandas as pd. I'll execute this. So this is my A data frame and this is my B data frame. So you'll be able to find there is one common column called as key, and the data is not common because k1 is present in B and k8 is present in A data frame. So we'll see how this merge operation works. So I'm using this merge function inside my pandas. So pd.merge. Now I will tell what it needs to be merged. So it need to merge A and B data frame, to merge my two data frame. And how it will merge? So for now I'll just write inner. So I'll explain what this inner, outer and everything is. So those who know this SQL queries and all, I probably think that they should be knowing this inner, outer, left, right join, basically called as join in SQL. Okay, so how it will do it? By using this inner and on equal to key. So it means it will take a reference point, a reference column as key. Based on this column, it will merge our two data frame. Now how it will merge, let me show it to you. So I guess in your life you have seen this Venn diagram, right? So basically inner. Now let's talk about our inner, that we are doing it right now. How it will merge? By using this inner. Inner is nothing but intersection between these two data frame. So suppose this is my data frame 1, this is my data frame 2. So the intersection between these two, or the common datas between these two, it will give us the output. And similarly outer means it will give the uncommon or the union of the two data frames. So we'll explain it. Similarly, there are more two type, that is called as left, in which it will only give us the left data, and the right is nothing but the right data. So we'll see all these things in our going on videos. So now if I use this inner, we know inner means intersection, means whatever the common between these two data frame, it will give us the output. And the column, the reference column is nothing but my key. So you will be able to find this, the output. Let me just scroll so that everything is visible under one window. Yep. So you'll be able to find, like, it has created uh, 4 indexes 0 1 2 3, which was there in my original data frame, and then it merged my columns. How? Key AB was present in my first data frame and CD was present in my second data frame. Key is common, so it is common. Now if you notice key, it is k0, k8, k2, k3, right? So it will only give us the intersection. Okay, sorry, I need to execute this. Basically we are getting the output of outer yet. Yep. So this is the output of my inner merging. How the inner merge works, it's basically give us the concatenation. The output key is nothing but k0, k2, k3. If you notice, it will just give us the key which is common in between these two data frame, k1 and k8. K8 of A data frame and k1 of B data frame is not present in both of it. K8 is not present in B, k1 is not present in A. Only k0, k2 and k3 are common. So it is giving me output of k0, k2, k3 key and the corresponding data set. So this is how inner merge will work. Only the intersection, or only the common key between these two data frame, it will give us the output of those. If I write it as left, so what do you mean by left? Left over here means A. So whatever the data frame name that I'm writing at the starting after merge, it is my left, and the right is B. After comma, whatever data frame I'm writing, that will become my right by default. So over here, if I'm using this left keyword under my how, so left is my A, which is the top, k0, k8, k2, k3. it will give the data of all these. So you'll be able to find K0, K8, K2, K3. All these four keys which was present in A is there, and their corresponding AB values as well. Now coming to CD, CD will only contains which was common, like K0. K0 CD was C0 D0, so it is present over there. Now coming to K8, K8 is not present in my second data frame B, so it is giving me NaN values, and K2 and K3 are common, so it is giving me that value. And K1 is not there. Why? Because it is in my right data frame, so it is not giving me key of K1. If I use this instead of left, if I use right, I guess now by now you have guessed how this will work. So right is my second data frame, that is my B, this one. So it is giving me key, all the key K0, K2, K3, K1, K0, K3, K2, K1, and their data of CD. CD is there. Now coming to AB. So A, B, we know K0 is present. So K0 will be A0, B0, and K8 will not be there because I'm using now right keyword. So it is merging right. So K8 will not be there. K2, K3 will be there because these two are common in my both of the data frames. And K1 will be NaN because K1 is not present in my left data frame or my first or my A data frame. So this is how it will work, and outer will give me the union of both. So if I write outer over here, you will be able to notice I'm getting all the keys and all their corresponding values, K0, K8, K2, K3, K1, and everything. Wherever the data is not there, it will give us NaN. For example, K8, it is not present in our second data frame, it is giving me NaN. K1 is not present in my first data frame, so it is giving me NaN for A and B. So this is how merge works, guys. And the similar, we have one more operation called as join. It is same as merge, no difference between these two, only there is some syntax difference. And if I see, this merge works on column level. I'm giving this on equal to key is nothing but my column, whereas the join happens on index level. We need to give our indexes on which we need to perform our join. Okay, so for this join I'm using one more data frame. I've got this from a dictionary. I have manually written this. So this is my A data frame and this is my B data frame. So just go look at both these data frames. There are two columns, A and B, C and D, and there are three row indexes, K0, K1, K2, K0, K2, K3. Now if you notice the syntax over here, it's nothing like pd dot merge. It was as it was in the case of merge operation, it is just using this left dot join. So over here left is the first one, that is our A data frame, dot join, it is joining it with B is our second data frame. So if I execute, you'll be able to find like it is both joining. Okay, left is not defined. Okay, let me just look it into. Okay, left is not defined. Okay, A, if I use A dot join B, let me just check it, guys. Yep, see, so it is joining our both of the data frame. So if anything is not mentioned, then it will use inner by default. Same is the same as the case of merge. It is using our inner join or inner merge by default if nothing is mentioned. So over here you will be able to find K0, K1, K2. So if I'm giving this left or the first A, so it will only give me K0, K1, K2, and then it is joining with B. So A and B will contain data because K0, K1, K2 is nothing but A and B data. And C and D, wherever K1, suppose K1 is not present, it won't give us the value of that particular set. So it is giving me NaN values. If I just make it opposite, so B dot join of A, let me just execute this. So you'll be able to find it is giving me data set of K0, K2, K3, C and D values. It is giving me everything of B. Now it is joining it with A. So A contains K0, K1, K0. So it is giving me K0 data of A and B. K2 is also present in my first data frame, so it is giving me A2 and B2. K3 is not present in my A data frame, so it is giving me NaN values. So moreover, like we'll be able to, I think it's basically a similar kind of operation like we used to do in our SQL. Join and merge, there is no difference between these two, some syntax. And merge operates on column level, whereas the join operates on row level data. So going forward, like we'll be using these two in our project as well, in our assignment as well. So there is no issues if you're not able to understand. Just practice it, I would say. Just make this data yourself, write it from my channel itself. I mean, write in on your own notebook and just try to do some permutation combination. You'll be able to get it. Okay, so that is it guys for this pandas tutorial, I guess. So if time permits, I'll make some assignment and practice videos as well. So coming to the theory or the practical kind of tutorial videos, it is over. So everything I have covered on pandas till now. So moving forward, we'll be coming up with new playlist of numpy. There is numerical python, that is also one more package present, a very strong package like pandas. So we'll discuss that also in our later playlist. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.